Hi, this is Michael Koifman, and today I'm going to show you how to use BigAP Access Policy Manager to protect APIs using OAuth 2.0. In version 13 and above, BigAP Access Policy Manager is able to act as OAuth client, OAuth resource server, and OAuth authorization server. In this particular example, we will show you how to use BigAP Access Policy Manager to act as OAuth resource server protecting the APIs. In my environment, I have published an API, and the URL is api.f5sc.com. I'm trying to get a list of the departments. This is an HR database. Now, the API is not natively protected, so I have deployed BigAP Access Policy Manager to enable OAuth protection to this API. We're acting as OAuth resource server. Let's try to make an unauthenticated request. When I do the unauthenticated request, I'm getting a 401 back, and this 401 is coming from BigAP, and it's sending just 3 headers: connection closed, content length 0, and www authenticate bearer. It is indicating to the client that it wants bearer token authentication. So now let's go and get it. I'm going to click on authorization here, type OAuth 2.0, and let's request a new access token. Here I have my Postman client pre-configured to get a new access token from OAuth authorization server. In this case, my OAuth authorization server is actually another BigAP. We will request an OAuth token. I will authenticate to the BigAP. And after that, I'm getting an authorization request. In this case, BigAP is acting as authorization server and is indicating to me, the resource owner, that there is HR API application that wants to use certain information about me that authorization server is going to provide. In this particular case, it's telling me that the resource server wants to get scope API-email. Once I authorize this, I have obtained my OAuth token, and it is saved here in the Postman client. We can see here that this is the access token. It is valid for 300 seconds, and the scope of the token is API-email, and there's also a refresh token that was returned to us as well. Now we can add this token to the header and try to make a request again. Now you can see that we gotten a much better response. There was a status 200 OK, and you can see here the headers of the application server, and then of course with the body, here's the XML that API has returned in response to the query for the list of the departments that are available. There are no cookies that are being returned by the server, but in the header there is the authorization header that was being sent, and the content of it is bearer and the OAuth authentication. And this is very simply how F5 Access Policy Manager can easily protect your APIs leveraging OAuth 2.0 resource server capabilities. Thanks for watching.
We can run